Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have my December Look Fantastic, so let's get into it and check it out. This box is sent to me free for review. You will get my honest review. I will put all of the information down below about signing up for it. One of the beauties with Look Fantastic is, just as an aside, if you sign up for a year as an annual, you still pay month over month. You commit to a year, but you still pay monthly. With my link below, if you sign up for an annual subscription, you will get your first box for $10. Let's get in here and check it out. I always say I love the Look Fantastic boxes. They tend to have more skincare in them that doesn't irritate my skin, which as somebody with sensitive skin, I can fully appreciate. When we take the lid off, this is what it looks like. Cute little Look Fantastic beauty box tissue paper. And that's what we have. Oh! I have no paperwork. We're gonna be winging this. You dig underneath real quickly, make sure, nope, no paper. So look at us, we can wing this. The first thing on top is a glove satin sleeping mask. It improves the quality of sleep, facilitating deep relaxation and a healthy nap. How do they know I need a nap? Designed in Poland, made in the PRC. And it is 100% polyester. It is really, really soft. That's what it looks like. And you can see the little string. Actually, let me take it off. You can see the little string on the back. String, elastic. Oh, it's very, I like that. It is very loose. For those of us who don't have tiny, tiny little heads, this has a lot of flexibility in it. I feel like, I mean, it's hardly, I'm going to try this for sure. I often find that with the size of, that it pulls the mask too tightly into my eyes, and I'm thinking that this might not do that. Sleep like a queen and awake like a goddess is what it says on it. Okay, and next out we have a Starskin VIP The Gold Mask Eye Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. I do prefer an eye mask. I just really prefer an eye mask to an all-over face mask. I don't, especially in the winter because it feels kind of cold. It's just me, I'm sure. And there doesn't seem to be anything in it I can't use, so I am very excited about that. And they say it is travel friendly, 83% Rose of Jericho based. I guess that's what they use instead of water. So we will use that and see if we feel rested and relaxed afterwards. Then perhaps we put on our mask and take a nap. Next out, we have a Hollywood Browser, B-R-O-W-Z-E-R, hair removal and dermaplaning tool. Shapes eyebrows and removes peach fuzz. That is what that looks like. I am telling you right now, I might try it on my peach fuzz. Those are both peach fuzz places. I will not be shaping my eyebrows with it. I will not be putting this near my eyebrows. I just destroyed this box getting into it. I do have a little zzz that I use to, you know, stay completely fuzz-free above my upper lip. So I will try this for that. Oh, it comes with a little case too. That is what it looks like in there. Ooh, hot. So it's like I'm a ninja. I'm like a face ninja now. If you use these, let me know below. What do you think? Do you like them? I wonder with my sensitive skin how it would do if you just, do you do it up or? I'll read about it first. So we have one of these. Next out, I have a Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. It's a crayon made in the Czech Republic. I think it's Ico. Isn't that the Ico brand right there? That is what it looks like. Does it say Ico on here anywhere? It doesn't. Oh, it says The Hut. So is Ico the Hut, or is that I not Ico? I have questions. The Hut is who does Look Fantastic. So now I'm wondering if they are who does Ico also. Oh, that's very smooth and creamy. Not sharp at all. I like that a lot. That is really pretty. And it's pink based. Can you guys tell that? It's kind of got a little bit of pink to its white. So up here, I would definitely, I just did this. I'm not sure which video I'll post first. I just did this in a box by Fashionista. I like this one better. Next out, we have Elemis, the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Skin Energizing Cleanser, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So this is a full ounce. That is what it looks like. I know, you guys are tired of hearing me say it. I'll say it fast. I love the Pro Collagen I can't say it fast. I like the Elements Pro Collagen line a lot. Tried to do it fast. All right, let's put just a little bit on the back of my hand. It's just, can you even see that? It's just clear, has a little bubble. That's how you know it's a cleanser. It smells kind of like the Pro Collagen Marine line. It has that same scent. Interestingly enough, I think it is lighter scented than the moisturizers. Feels very nice. I'm not sure that I've actually tried the cleanser. Well, this is gonna be fun. Okay, and last but not least, we have a Lottie London Ombre in Haze, and it's a blush. And that's what it looks like. It looks like a great color for me. It's a little peachy. If I were choosing, I might choose a little more pink, but here's something I've discovered about me. I always choose a little more pink, and I think my skin tone is changing a little bit. I used a darker foundation today. Can you tell? Does it look ridiculous? Let me know. And I think maybe I look better in some of the peachier colors. That is what that looks like. So it's really light. Oh, you know what? It looks darn pink on my hand. It felt really nice though. It feels like it's gonna stay. You know, when I try and blend it out, it's already like it's found a home. Sometimes they come right off. This feels like it's gonna stay. I like that. I will be giving that a try. It's a good color for me too. So in this box, we got the Lottie London makeup, the highlighter pencil. So those are our two makeups. We got skincare, the Elements Pro Collagen Cleanser, and the Star Skin of the Gold Mask Eye VIP eye masks. And then we got dermablading and an eye mask. So we can fully get our relaxation on, put on a little blush and highlighter, go about our day. I just really like the box. I like the mix of products that it comes with. It's a really great value. It's one of the lower priced boxes still. I will put all of that information below for you with my link. I'm just always really happy with the box. So let me know what you think about it. As we move forward into the new year, I'm gonna start assessing some of the boxes that I get, add some new ones, like we've just added that Lush Kitchen. I want to add at least 1 or 2 new beauty boxes. Let me know below if you have any opinions on maybe what we should try for beauty boxes next, what you think about this one. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, I hope. Bye guys.